Okay, hello, my children. This is Khadijah, House of Glitter, mother of House of Glitter. Okay. Today we're just gonna start off with applying the eyeshadow base by NYX. This is in the number two. I'm gonna apply that all over. I really didn't like my eyebrows. I try to do something different. I'm still learning as I teach, so just bear with me. Um, I bought a new eyeshadow primer. It's by Makeup Revolution. That's going to be in the next video coming up. So, yeah. So, we're going to buff that out, blend it out, you know, same old, same old. Nothing's changed about that. And, yeah. We're going to go with Juvia's Place Zulu palette. We are using um, Mixing Medium by NYX. Mix it together. I'm going to do a detailed video on how I get these creamy pigmented eyeshadow cream colors. I don't know what to call them. I call them fake pillowy acid rain bases. So yeah. So you see, that's the consistency we got. What we're gonna do is pat that on, because it's gonna be pigmented. So just watch that. And the way I'm patting it on, I'm not taking it too far over. I'm gonna leave a little bit of the corner out, as you will see, but I'm going to apply it a little bit above my crease. So yeah. Okay, so once I have all that blended in, I'm going to take a flat, fluffy shader brush, and I'm going to take the pigment that is dry, pigment eyeshadow, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to take that dry orange eyeshadow that we used to mix. I'm going to pat it over top of it just to lock in that cream and make sure it doesn't move anywhere. Also, this is going to help to boost the color and make it more pigmented, because that's what we want it to be, very pigment. Y'all, I think that's so easy and so versatile to use, because you can actually use it for liners or placing your glitter. But now we're going in with that brown color. I'm using the Morphe really, really small, detailed fluff brush. Like, it's really, really small, if you can see. I forgot the name of this brush, so I will leave it down in the description box below. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go over and subscribe to my house, darling. Okay, this house is gonna grow and grow and grow. Everyone is welcome. No shame, no game. Subscribe to Mother's House, okay? House of Glitter, honey. So yeah. So right here, I'm just showing you a close up. I just basically went in just to make it a depth look and just to give it a great separation for the transition color that I'm about to use. Just want to use small strokes. You just want to blend it. Make sure that orange did not leave a harsh line anywhere. So, yeah. Now I'm taking another Morphe brush. I'm going with that yellow, and I'm going to pack it on first, because yellow is a very hard transitioning shade for women of color. So I was gonna keep packing it and shading and blending, pack, shade, blend, pack, shade, blend onto one another like there is no tomorrow. Okay, so once I have all that smoothed out and packed in, I'm just gonna go back in. I'm using the small cream brush by the Crown Case. I'm using a lighter concealer that I actually use in my brows. I'm gonna highlight that area just to clean it up and give it a sharp look. Now I'm going in with the Base Shop Cosmetics glitter, and the chunky one is like an orange color, and then the fine one is an orange color. I'm using my Kiss Adhesive Lash Glue in clear, the one with the wands, of course, because it's easy. I'm going to basically cut the crease without concealer. So just taking that glue and placing it where I want my crease to cut, where I want my crease to lay. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my fine glitter, okay, everywhere into the crease. And y'all, when I tell you this is a look, I was like, yes, it's so pretty. Okay, since we're waiting for that to dry a little bit, while we waited for it to dry, I'm going to apply some more glitter exactly where I want the chunky glitter to lay. I kind of want it in the middle, but of course I want some in the front. Y'all, when I tell y'all, when I started using chunky glitter, it changed my life. Like, it makes everything 3D. It pops. You know, it gives your face a facelift. It does a lot. So, I don't know what you're going to do. Yeah. We're going to place that chunky glitter, making sure that it's smooth and it's on correctly. And there's nothing peeling, lifting up, or looking bulky or anything. Now I'm going to go with my NYX liner in black and do a thick wing liner. Of course, y'all know that's what I go for. Okay, once we do that, I fill the bottom of my lash. And yeah, I didn't really show, I'm not showing my foundation routine because I'm trying to find the updated one, because the one I'm currently using is really not that great, but is working for the purpose that it's supposed to serve. So yeah, thank you. If you like this easy, quick tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, you way too fine to waste time. That's why you never on pause when we on FaceTime. And them niggas be mad cause they can't get you. Bitches like, damn, why that nigga even with you? Tell them how they business, touch they nose. They mad I treat you like a queen and I don't hold. Real niggas do real things. And don't compare me to your ex cause we not the same. Yeah, I got a little more trip with a whole lot of dick take. Way more trips, blow a bag at the strip. Yeah. And
I'ma make it right back. Show you how to